Okay, so ignore all the junk behind me, because Christmas and Christmas stuff and whatever, right? Um, First screencast we ever did, but this is the best way to show this. What we're going to show you how to do is to take the Kano operating system and put it on a micro SD card to plug it into the kid-made computer, right? I recommend just going to Kano and buying the whole setup. It doesn't save you that much money to do it yourself, but it did save a little bit of money, enough to push the wife over the edge to let me buy this for the kid. And if the kid doesn't like it, I'm not stuck with the kid-looking program. I have an adult-looking box, put my own flash drive in, and make what I wanted to make from the get-go, which is a network-attached storage device. So in order to do this, you need to download the Etcher program. I put a link in my website. You get a link on the Kano operating system website. Here's Etcher. We're going to open it up. Then you need to download the Kano operating system, and it takes a minute to download because it takes a while. You're going to need your little micro SD card and some type of adapter. The thing is, with the micro SD card, this one is a little 4 gigabyte. It wasn't big enough. I had to use a 32 gigabyte one, which just think about that when you start. Okay, download Etcher. Another thing to think about is if you put the wrong drive in, you're going to ruin it. So I disconnected everything but the actual drive I want to use. So here's the Etch program here. First thing you do is select the image. I'm going to take my Kano zip and I'm going to drag it there. Right? If I need to change it, I can do that. Storage device. There's only one attached, so it automatically picked it up. If you want to change it, change it. Right? And then you press flash. It's going to take a minute to boot up, and then it's going to take a while for this to do it. The website from Kano said it took about 15 minutes. It took much longer in my first time, right? It also wants you to put in a password to your computer. I think that's just a Mac thing, but it might be a PC thing too. I don't know. But we want to make sure that the right person is messing with the computer. So it's going to start up. It's going to take a while. It's going to have a little status bar down here, and it'll say probably takes 10 minutes. I don't know. Once it's done writing it, it's going to go back over it again and verify it. We're not going to sit here for all that amount of time. As soon as this starts, we're going to stop recording. See 0% flashing. When it's done, we're going to come back and all right. So we see that it got done doing its writing. Now it is validating. It says 5 minutes or so. We're going to let that run, and we're going to come back when it's done. Looks like it's almost done, about 96% done validating. It says 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Unmounting. Flash. All right. So there you go. It says it's done. You can hit over here, flash another. You can do the same thing again. Success was successfully written. Right? That's all you got to do. Now this will plug right into the back of your Raspberry Pi and it'll give you the Kano operating system. So part 1, buy the stuff, plug it together. Step 2, which we marked as 3 on the website, so oh well. Step 3 is to put this in, the Kano operating system on a micro flash drive. Step 3 is to plug it in and let it ride. Pretty simple little thing to do. The kid's really been enjoying playing with it. Problem is, he doesn't read that well being in kindergarten, and so he don't want help because it's his computer. So he ends up just clicking buttons and not really learning everything he's supposed to. But that's cool because he's having fun with it. And I'm just trying to deal with the whole, but that ain't how it works.